Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're taste testing Berry Pepsi. So let's give this a try, see if I like it, and I'm hoping I like it like I do the mango Pepsi, which I've already tried in a video, which I'll try to link up here in a card, or I'll definitely put the link down in the thing, so down in the description as well. So let me go ahead and give this a taste, see if I like it, and you guys can comment below and things. So let's give it a try here. You know, this is another good one. Pepsi's doing a really good job with these different flavors. I hope they keep them out, because I may switch from Coke to Pepsi, at least on the berry, at least on the flavors, because I like the mango and I like the berry a lot, because they do you can really taste the flavor of it. You have a little bit of the Pepsi, but it's all the good stuff in the Pepsi flavor that I like, not the bad stuff. There's some Pepsi, regular Pepsi just has this little aftertaste kind of that I don't like. So now can I take the mango and the berry here, take care of that. Like I said, I'll put a link up the top here to the mango Pepsi taste test, and I'll definitely put it in the description down below. So well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and take the time to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more like videos like this. I do cooking videos, I do some sightseeing stuff around Western North Carolina and surrounding areas. So take time to watch some of my other videos, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish enjoying this here, and I'll see you guys later.